How to fix Instagram camera not working. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera not working easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy and simple. So all what you have to do first is just open the settings on your phone like this, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Click on the apps. Now right here go to apps again in the top, and here it will give you all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just wait a few seconds and now scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it like this. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. It's called the app information page. As you can see, click here on this force stop option and then go down to the data usage and scroll down. Now here make sure to enable all those options like this, and after that go back again, click on storage and click on clear data. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.